Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to apply strike-through in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In first step, click into the target cell, navigate to Home tab, click on this little arrow in Font section. This window will open, tick strike-through, and then OK. As you can see, strike-through has been applied. If you have multiple cells and you want to apply strike-through at once, select the cells, Home tab. The same way, click on this little arrow, the same window will open and tick strike-through, press OK. As you can see, strike-through has been applied to all the cells. If you wish to remove strike-through, select all the cells, click on this little arrow again and tick and then OK. Strike-through effect has been removed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.